I told my wife when the new baby comes, I'm not getting up in the middle of the night to do nothing. I'm not feeding no bottles. I'm not changing no Pampers. I'm not burping no burps. She told me if I didn't, then she would leave me and sue me for alimony and child support. I told her that was cool. Then I'm gonna leave, quit my job, and move to Canada. Shit. Now she got all these lawyers calling me. Hold on, y'all. I gotta just scroll up to the next video.